Hello guys and welcome to our Royal Choice channel.
Best drone for photography. Are you an architectural photographer or a cool graphic designer who's into photography? We've assembled a neat list of some of the best drones in the market for you. We understand that having the best drone for photography is your ticket to the sky and all those beautiful views waiting for you. For more information about these products, check out the link in the description below with the updated price. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Let's get started. Number 1. DJI Mavic 2 Pro. The Mavic 2 Pro is an exceptional drone for aerial photography. It's a foldable drone that weighs less than 1 kilogram. So if you are a travel photographer, this drone will be suitable for you as it is easy to carry around. DJI's Mavic drones are some of the best-looking drones on the market, and the Mavic 2 Pro is no different. The drone comes with a Hasselblad-engineered camera that is equipped with a 1-inch sensor and also comes with Hasselblad's natural color solution for improved color details. The camera can record video footage in 4K at 30 FPS and 2.7K at 60 FPS and comes with a recording speed of 100 Mbps. It supports multiple photography modes and comes with a 10-bit log color profile for HDR videos. Other improved features include autonomous flight modes, increased flight time, and an image transmission range of 10 kilometers. Pros: Hasselblad camera. Record time up to 31 minutes and the flight distance up to 5 miles in its class. Reliable security system, collision sensors, control of signal loss and battery discharge. Foldable design. GPS, GLONASS. Smart flight modes. Cons: high price. Number 2. Parrot Anafi PF7-28100. Parrot Anafi is perhaps the main DJI's Mavic competitor and a great model for real estate aerial photography. A foldable design, a camera with 2.8-fold optical zoom, and the possibility to rotate 180 degrees vertically. The possibility to charge batteries from mobile power sources via the USB-C connector. All of these characteristics make it the best drone for video and photography that takes the first place in the league of compact folding quadcopters. To get the best possible picture quality, Parrot uses a 21-megapixel 1.5.4 CMOS sensor from Sony. 4K videos are recorded on board at speed of up to 30 frames per second, and in full HD resolution up to 60 FPS. Thanks to the HDR support, we can receive not only clear, but also bright and colorful content. The drone has zoom without image quality loss, in 4K and with a 1.4-fold zoom, and in full HD even with 2.8 zoom. Flight time in quiet mode reaches 25 minutes. The distance can reach 2.5 miles. Pros: foldable construction. Large photo resolution. Optical zoom. The camera can rotate 180 degrees vertically. GPS. Smart flight modes. Reliable security system. Cons: no particular disadvantages. Number 3. DJI Inspire 2. The DJI Inspire 2 has an extremely high-end camera that's able to capture 20-megapixel stills and is able to shoot Ultra HD 4K footage at 60 FPS, allowing filmmakers to capture dramatic slow-motion footage without compromising video quality. This is all connected to DJI's 3-axis, 360-degree rotating gimbal, allowing you to capture video without needing to physically turn the drone. The drone also has a dual battery system that allows it to be up in the air for about 27 minutes, allowing you plenty of time to capture the footage you need. With a max range of about 4.3 miles and a top speed of 58 miles per hour, the Inspire can travel a long way and get there quickly. Other features include dual operator control, allowing 2 operators to operate the camera and drone independently, various intelligent flight modes, and multiple obstacle avoidance sensors. Designed to provide the highest quality work possible, the Inspire 2 is made for those looking for the best of the best, and of course, are able to pay the price. The Inspire has been used in movies and TV shows and is the top option for creating the best quality footage possible. It is the cream of the crop in terms of features, abilities, and quality. Pros: multiple flight modes, dual operator control, flight time and range, top speed, multiple avoidance sensors, hexacopter stability, overall quality. Cons: price, bulky and heavy. Number 4. GoPro Karma with harness for Hero 5. GoPro Karma is a drone from the largest manufacturer of action cameras of the same name. It is quite affordable for those who provide aerial drone photography services. Karma case has a folding design and an unusual placement of a camera in the front part. GoPro camera is placed on a removable 3-axis suspension. It can be removed and mounted on Karma grip monopod that comes in the kit. The accessory adds stabilization to the footage taken on the ground. Unfortunately, Karma does not have an obstacle recognition system like its main competitors. There are autonomous takeoff and landing features, as well as a return option to the takeoff point if the battery charge is low. Karma can be removed from the console up to 0.6 miles with a maximum speed of 35 miles per hour. Flight time is up to 20 minutes. Pros: foldable design, possibility to select the camera, sufficient time and distance of the flight, GPS GLONASS. Cons: flight safety system is minimal. There were problems with batteries in the first installment. Number 5. DJI Mavic Air 2S. Our 5th option combines long battery life with ease of flight. If you want a camera drone that will fly like a breeze, this DJI Mavic Air 2 is for you. You can comfortably shoot a 4K video at a great price. This DJI Mavic Air for drone photography can fly with winds up to 23.6 miles per hour. Therefore, you can focus on taking those awesome videos and images of superb architectural structures instead of worrying about keeping your DJI Mavic Air 2 drone steady. This drone also features DJI smart flight modes like the Active Track. This feature directs your drone to follow your film and your subject autonomously. These DJI Mavic Air 2 automated flight modes allow your DJI Air 2s to avoid any obstacles that may be in the way. The battery life lasts for 34 minutes, which is ample flight time for your DJI Air 2s to record all you want. The design of this DJI Mavic Air 2 is 7 by 3.8 by 3.3 inches when folded and weighs 1.3 pounds. This means that you can comfortably carry it with you wherever you go. Pros: portable, good battery life, cool, intuitive shooting functions, has low noise propellers, can stand winds, great camera quality. Cons: not compatible with DJI goggles. Number 6. DJI Phantom 4. The DJI Phantom 4 Pro V2 is a beautiful drone that is easy to operate thanks to its advanced flight technology and comes equipped with many intelligent features. This is a powerful drone that comes with an exceptional HD camera. It has a 1-inch CMOS sensor, comes with a mechanical shutter, and captures 20 MP images and 4K videos at 60 FPS. The camera can record in 10-bit log color for HDR videos and has multiple photography shooting modes. Other features the Phantom 4 Pro comes with include obstacle avoidance technology, intelligent flight modes, enhanced image transmission system, 30 minutes of flight time, and 10-kilometer range. Pros: excellent camera, Great time and distance of the flight. Well-designed security system, collision sensors, control of signal loss, and battery discharge. GPS GLONASS. Powerful engines. 10-inch tablet holder. Smart flight modes. Protective case included. Cons. It isn't foldable. Quite big for hiking. Pricey. Number 7. DJI Mavic 2 Zoom. Released at the same time as the Mavic 2 Pro, the Zoom is the funky twin brother of DJI's flagship drone. The two drones are essentially the same, with the cameras and camera features being one of the few differences. The Zoom has the same 31-minute flight time and 5-mile range that the Mavic 2 Pro does. The Zoom has the 12-megapixel camera capable of shooting 4K video at 30 FPS and 1080 at 60 FPS. Geared towards a more video-focused audience, carrying a 2x zoom-capable camera can make for better video effects and inspection capability. Other features of the zoom lens include a super high-res picture option when shooting at the lowest focal range, where it essentially takes multiple photographs and automatically puts them in one. Priced at a lower price point than the Mavic 2 Pro, the Zoom is great for commercially focused professionals who want to take a closer look without damaging their drone. Pros: very portable. Has a cool optimal zoom feature. Has great software features. Over 30 minutes of smooth flight time. High flight time. Long range. Camera 2x zoom feature. Cons: lacks 60 FPS for 4K video. Number 8. Yuneec Mantis Q. Yuneec Mantis Q is a new quadcopter from Yuneec American company. Its main features are foldable construction and long-time flight. According to the above-mentioned characteristics, it can be called DJI Mavic Air or Parrot Anafi competitor, but unfortunately the shooting capabilities bring the device into a lower class like DJI Spark or Parrot B-Hop 2. Yuneec Mantis Q completely lacks gimbal mechanical stabilization, except for the camera tilt vertical control. Speaking quadcopter capabilities in terms of photography, there is support for DNG both in the 4:3 ratio, 4160 by 3120, and in the widescreen 16:9 mode, 4800 by 2700. Unfortunately, CMOS matrix size is slightly smaller than the standard one and is 1/3 0.06 inches. The manufacturer declares support for 4K video, 30 frames, but there is not even electronic stabilization in this mode, which doesn't make it the best drone for professional photography. In fact, it is almost useless for this purpose. Therefore, you can talk only about video support in 1080p, 60 frames, digital 3-axis stabilization. The usually long flight time on one charge, 33 minutes, makes this device really attractive. There is also voice control for the drone and for the camera. Of course, there is a physical controller with a mount for a smartphone, which allows you to control the device at a distance of up to 1 mile. Pros: foldable construction. GPS GLONASS. Smart flight modes. Reliable security system. Cons: the small size of the camera matrix. So this is all about the best drone for photography. Thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to check out the link in the description.